Eagle. Eagle is a flying bird. It has a long and strong beak. It is the most powerful bird found on our earth. Eagle is number one bird to carry most load. The eyesight of an eagle is very sharp. Peacock is one of the most beautiful bird on earth. Peacock usually has a blue color and its feathers have a mixture of blue, green and golden colors. Peacocks are found in India, Sri Lanka and Africa, Indonesia, etc. And one important point is peacock is our national bird. Crow. Crow is a common bird. We see it everywhere. Its color is black. Its beak is strong, short and sharp. Its cawing is very loud and rough. Kite flies very high. It has feathers in its body. It has a beak, two legs, two eyes and two wings. It eats with its beak and preys with its claws. It can fly with its two wings. The hen is a bird. Hens are domestic bird. Hen is brown, black and white in colors. Hens are kept in a coop. Hens eats food, grains, seeds, fruits and vegetables. Vulture is a bird. Vulture are large birds of prey. Vulture have white and strong wings. Vulture have hooked beaks and talons. They have excellent eyesight. The size of the bulbul birds ranges from 15 to 28 centimeter. Male and female birds look very similar. Bulbuls are short-necked birds. Bulbul have a long tail. Wings are short and rounded. Flamingo are a type of wading birds. They have long legs, curving beaks and long flexible neck. It has bright pink colored feathers. Their colors varies depending on what it eats. Flamingo usually stand on one leg. Sparrow is a small bird, also known as Gauraya. Sparrow color is brown, grey, white and black. They live in flocks. They eat insects, seeds, fruit, etc. Sparrow makes their nests on trees, buildings, etc. Crane are tall birds with long legs. Crane are large birds, the world's tallest flying bird. The crane is a grey color. Crane can use their long beaks to probe in mud and shallow water, and they will eat insects, small mammals, plant, berries, seeds, frogs and shellfish. Their feathers are often bright colors such as blue or orange. They have large heads, long, sharp bills, short legs and stubby tails. Most are found only in forest. A quarter of all kingfishers' nests discuss terminate nests. They eat a wide range of prey including fish. Thank you. Penguins live in both the water and land. They have flippers to help them swim. Penguins cannot fly. Some penguins can stay under water for 20 minutes. Penguins eat things they can catch in water. An ostrich is the largest bird in the world. It is mainly found in Africa. Ostrich does have wings but it cannot fly. They can run very fast. ऑस्ट्रिच हैज़ गुड आई साइट। देखो फ्रेंड्स, पिजन के बारे में हम देखेंगे। जैसे अ पिजन इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल बर्ड। सेकेंड पॉइंट है दे हैव टू लार्ज विंग्स। पिजन कैन फ्लाई वेरी हाई। फोर्थ पॉइंट है pigeons in found almost all over the world. It is mainly found in red, white, grey and brown colors.